Hello my dear viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today we are planting some flowers and I just wanted to take you along to show you the daily activities in Turkey, or maybe things that Turks normally do that actually interest me, and one of them is actually planting flowers. Like, they are obsessed with flowers on their balcony, on their garden, like it's just crazy. So this culture of planting flowers, I have seen it here so much in Turkey, and I also jumped in by planting flowers. My mother-in-law normally does a very amazing job. She has a garden full of flowers, and beautiful flowers, different colors, fresh flowers, roses, lavender, all those types of flowers. You cannot even name all of them. So this one, we took them from the village and they have been growing, but not the same way I wanted. So I'm trying to rearrange them, and also I'm trying to actually remove extra, and we got actually new tints, or maybe flower buckets. I don't know how to call them, but I'm just gonna use that word for today, like that. So planting flowers, having a garden, or maybe making your balcony with beautiful flowers, even if they are plastic, I'm not kidding you. If you go around gardens, or maybe if you visit Turkish homes, you will realize that they have a lot of flowers, and it is just amazing. Because for me, planting flowers, watering flowers, or maybe your garden, it's somehow refreshing and somehow sort of actually fulfillment in terms of actually just relaxing. It gives you that extra time to bond with the nature, and also to actually manifest what you want. For me, when I'm tired, and not even tired, when I want to actually refresh my mind, I normally come to water my plants. Meanwhile, let's have some coffee. And also, coffee is one of the best thing that actually Turks love to do. If it is not coffee, it is chai or tea. Today I want to show you how I normally make simple Turkish in a very simple way for one person. I'm using this brand, so let's start, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this culture. We have a lot to speak, but for today I'm gonna leave you to watch this little clip I took for you guys, me making my coffee. Okay, this is called in Turkish çezve or çezve, I don't know, but I think it is that. So for my Turkish coffee, I normally take one scoop, one big, like I scoop one of this teaspoon. Okay, just one of it. If you want, you can add a little bit, but I don't like it too much of it. So once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my sugar. I love my Turkish coffee when it is a little bit sugar sweet. Okay, so this is it, and then I'm gonna add in 1 cup of Turkish coffee. This is a large one, but you can use whatever you have as long as it is Turkish coffee cup. So just make sure that I'm adding in. This is cold water, remember. So I'm gonna mix everything together like that. There we have. And then I'm gonna put on fire to brew it. Okay, so let's brew. I'm gonna remove this one for it not to fall down. Okay, so there we have. We're gonna wait for it to actually bubble or remove the foam, and we're gonna be enjoying our Turkish coffee. As you can see, we have some bubbles there. We're gonna give it a minute, okay, for it to make some good bubbles, as you can see. That's enough. You see it has some bubbles or some foam. That foam is very important in Turkish culture, so we're gonna remove first and gently place it here, just like that, very gently. This foam is very important in Turkish culture. It shows how good you have made your Turkish coffee. Without that foam, it looks like you don't know what you're doing. So we're gonna gently pour our Turkish coffee here. Okay, just like that. Then we have our Turkish coffee. And then you cannot serve Turkish coffee without water, so you have to make sure that you are adding in some water for your guests.
Ben böyle kedikle tarakladım, kokmadı. Bekliyor böyle, taraklıyor mu kokmuyor.
But for me, our Turkish coffee is ready, and you must add some sweets, some candies, some pastry, some sort of candies. But for me, I prefer my Turkish coffee with some fruits. So today I'm eating these raisins or crepes. I think these are raisins because they don't have the seed inside. I'm not sure, you can tell me, but whichever. Any fruit for me is good. It goes well with my Turkish coffee, that is it. But for normal Turkish person, you can put some chocolate, some pasta, some candies if you have, or if they have. And sometimes they don't take Turkish coffee with sugar, so you must ask them if they are taking some sugar or not. Okay, so let's drink this Turkish coffee and we can chat up, or maybe hook up, or we can catch up and actually talk more about Turkish culture when it comes to their coffee. Okay. So, you guys, a coffee culture is actually deeply ingrained in Turkish life, or maybe daily life, and with Turkish coffee holding a very special place in social rituals and also hospitality and traditions. It's not just a drink, but an experience marked for like in slow preparation and also enjoyment. Now, the traditional method of brewing Turkish coffee involves finely ground coffee beans, water, and sugar, which is optional, like I said. And it normally we normally make in this very special pot called chesve. Now, the coffee is served in small cups with a thick foam on top, and it's often accompanied by a glass of water and also sweet treats like Turkish delights. Okay. Now, in Turkey, coffee is more than just a morning pick me up, or maybe just a drink. It is part of social gatherings used to mark significant occasions such as engagements, whereby the bride to serves coffee to her future in-laws, and sometimes she normally puts some salt in it. It is a very important culture that is still being done in even in modern Turkish world. Okay, now the coffee cup, it's also used as a fortune telling tradition, whereby patterns left by the grounds are interpreted by Turkish women and adds to its mystery and also social role, and they normally interpret in different ways. Okay, now whether enjoyed in a cozy cafe or maybe home, Turkish coffee is a symbol of hospitality, conversation, and also bonding, often lingering along after the cups are empty. Its influence can be seen in everyday interactions and special ceremonies, making it an essential part of Turkish culture. So, if you are thinking to join Turkish culture, or maybe Turkish people or Turkish family, just know that Turkish coffee or coffee is part of their culture. You're gonna be serving a lot of the times, or maybe you're gonna be, when you visit homes, you might be served Turkish coffee. So you better get ready or get used to it. If you're not a coffee lover, well and good, we still have some Turkish chai. Until next time, guys, I'll see you. Bye bye.